and the fixed mortgage rates have followed the 10-year treasury trend over the past 40 plus years. It's Friday, September 30th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. So what's that mean for interest rates? Mortgage rates are climbing quickly, and rates have not been this volatile since 1987. Interest rates are now where they were in 2008 and quickly approaching 7%, with some loan products actually over 7%. It's likely that we will see interest rates go higher in the coming weeks. We are seeing the impact of rising interest rates. Looking at this chart, you can see that the same home last June 2021 would cost a homeowner $1,265 per month. This June, that figure climbed to $1,944. That divide will widen as the interest rates climb again in the last quarter of 2022. Despite rising interest rates, there are buyers in the market, though. Showings were off 30% this past week. Many of the buyers out now were not able to compete in the frenzied pandemic housing market, but may fare better now as markets are adjusting and days on the market are extending. Home price forecasts for 2023 indicate that prices will rise an average of 2.2%, which is more moderate than over the past 3 years. Some forecasters predict as high as 4.4%, and one predicts a drop of 4%. Buyer demand for higher priced single-family homes and higher priced condos continued again this week. Homes priced above $590,000 are of more interest to buyers than below that price point, and buyer showing activity did drop off 30% overall. Maryland saw fewer contracts this past week, and inventory is still down. There were 1,811 new listings to the market, which was 13.7% below last year's already challenged inventory market. If you need to move for any number of reasons, you should not let these factors be a barrier. I frequently hear people say, "I'm going to wait," for whatever excuse they have. In hindsight, they realize that they should have actually done something. We don't know what the future will bring. We only know what the past looks like and this moment in time. Know that you should feel confident about buying or selling a home, and my job as the expert is to provide you with the facts, data, and information, and then bring context to it for you. Call me and let's talk. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for September 30th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be kind.